Alright, YouTubers, we're back with another installment of Trailblazer Mania. Tell you what, this thing rides really good. I've been driving it for the last couple of days and I'm really happy with it. Now, when I first got it, we do have some trouble back here with this glass. It will not open. Let me show you what's going on. And I see this a lot on other forums. Don't force this glass open. It will cost you a couple of $300 to buy this glass. And this is very common on Trailblazers and Voys and other GM products. We got some hinges up here that are broken. Now here's the deal. I can open it up, fine down here. Now this main hatch and this glass, there are hinges here. We have double duty hinges. We have a smaller hinge right here that operates the glass. Then we have this big hinge right here that works this guy here. Now this smaller hinge here, there's a problem. Something's come loose up here on this glass, and I'll show you. And by the way, over here, same thing. You got a small hinge here that operates the glass. And you got this big one down here. And we have some bolts here that actually bolts this on to the body. Now what's going on is, when I try to open this glass up, it won't open all the way. It's binding right there. See that? If I go on this side, it's actually moving, it's trying to open. So what's happened here, something has come loose up here. And this is why it's very critical. Do not force this thing open. If you can get this open so far, you're okay. I'll show you how to get this glass open so you can get up here and work on that. And right there, there's one of the little shocks right there. See that? The little hydraulic supports. What we got to do is take a little screwdriver and go ahead and pop that clip off there. What's happening is the strut is pushing down on this window and it's keeping this really tight here. So what we got to do is pop this off here, get this off, so this strut will extend a little lower down and get out of the way, and do the same thing on this side over here. This one here will open up a little farther. And once we unhook those struts there, when you unhook them, now watch, they will extend a little bit because they're under pressure. Not a lot of pressure, but just enough to hold the glass up. Once we get those unhooked, then we can go ahead and probably get this window up and see what's going on up here. So I'll have to set my cell phone down here and do this, and we'll come back here and look at this. So just get you a small screwdriver and get up under that clip right there. Let me go back on this side. Just get up under that clip right there and pop that off, and this will pop right off. And we'll go ahead and get this off. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so that was a little nerve-wracking. What I did, I took a cloth and I actually stuck it up under the window here so it would kind of open it. Let me see if I could redo this here real quick for you. Alright, without the window going back shut. There we go. Hey, actually, you know what? It opened. So, here's the deal. So I got that off. Sorry about shaking the camera. Now, depending on which side's binding, you only have to take off that strut. This side, I didn't even have to take off the strut. These struts may be bad anyway, so I don't know. But now I can open it without the window breaking. Yay! And now we can look up in here and see what's going on. So I'm going to have to get a prop or a piece of wood or something, a stick. Hang on. Alright, so I just kind of used a broom there. And here is a look at the hinges. Now, hey, how about that? My hinges are in really good shape. A lot of times these will get rusty and break off from the frame, especially from the big hatch door, but the window here, this is glass right here, this piece is okay. Although I'm going to oil it up and clean it a little bit. Now I found the issue why it would not open. Let me show you this strut. See how that one extends out? Look at this one. It's got a problem. It's broken. It's jammed. It's not extending down. It should be out like that. I can't even pull on it. And this one here is locked up, and it was putting a bind on this side. It would not let me open this hatch. That's the problem the whole time, it looks like. So I'll be daggone. So let's do this real quick. Let's take a screwdriver and go over here and pop this one off real quick. And I'll show you what I mean. Do this with one hand, hang on. Alright, there we go. And see how this one extends out? It's working. This one is not. So originally I knew something was binding up here, but like I said earlier, these struts sometimes, when they're pushing down like that, if your hinge gets broke, it will push this whole piece up and you will get this in a bind. So when you're diagnosing this on your Trailblazer, kind of take it easy at first. Try to figure out what you think is going wrong. Just don't start yanking on the window. But there are a couple possibilities here that could keep this window in a bind. Broken hinges, strut like this that's not working. This should be actually down to here, like this one here. So I'll just simply pop this off, and we'll see if this window will open and close real quick. Let me get my screwdriver over here. I've never had one actually lock up like that, which is kind of weird. Yeah, let's see if I can see that. Sun's lights in my eyes here. I'll probably get a couple of these. Oops. Probably get a couple of these on eBay really cheap. Alright, I'm going to set the camera down to get that off. Alright, so there we go. Oh yeah, that's no problem. This strut is locked up. It's rusted up probably. I don't know, it's probably the factory support strut. Alright, so we get it off, and should look like that. So I'll go ahead and see if we can shut this up here real quick. It's probably not going to have a lot of power. I'm going to have to probably try to do this with one hand. And oops, you know what I need to do first? I need to put this back on. Getting ahead of myself there, Sparky. There we go. Hey, that's back on. And make sure the clip's back on. Alright, clip's back on. This actually may work just with one. I'm not sure. Depends on the glass. No, it's not going to work with one. But now I can open and close it. Yes. Now I did notice there's a piece of plastic right there. See that right there? It's kind of catching that right there. I'll straighten that out. But now at least I can open it. Yes. So that was my problem the whole time. This strut is bad. So, you know, just kind of verify that it's not your strut. It's bad. And if it is, just do like I do. Get a little screwdriver in there and try to get that off. Pop it off and then lift your window up and pull it the rest of the way out. So, I'm going to go on eBay and order some new struts. So, I don't think they're going to cost that much. I could probably get them for free shipping. $20 or so. This is going to be nice. Yes! I can't believe I fixed it. And the other hinge looks okay. So, I'll give you guys a look at these hinges real quick in case you're not sure what you want to do. So there's a nice look at that one. You can see how it's attached to the glass. And there's a quick look at that one. So I hope you don't have to pull these pins out to actually get the glass out. But if you do, you can. You just pop those pins out and that glass hinge will come off. And this secondary hinge should stay in there and hold this lift on there. I think you can kind of see that there. So, but you might want to research on YouTube some other videos if somebody has actually dealt with taking this tailgate off. So, all right, so I'm gonna go on YouTube, and I mean not YouTube. I'm gonna go on eBay and go ahead and order me a couple of struts here and fix this up. So there you go. Hopefully this will help you out if you're getting into a bind and you're not sure what's going on. So just take it step by step and slowly figure it out, because I honestly thought it was a broken hinge, and it turns out this here is just jammed and would not let this open up, and it was putting pressure on this. So goes to show you just got to kind of take your time at it and diagnose it as you go along. So I'll see you guys later on my next video. Until then, later.